Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Fanbasis account. Just follow these steps so you can create your profile and start selling on the platform. First, open your browser and go to the Fanbasis website. On the homepage, click Sign Up to create a new account. Enter your email address, create a password, and confirm it by typing it again. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, then click Next. On the next screen, type your full name. This should be your real name. Then enter your business name or the name you want to use on Fanbasis. Select your country code from the drop-down and enter your phone number. Next, choose your Fanbasis domain, which is your personal profile link. Pick a name that reflects your brand, then click Next to continue. Now you'll see a checklist of steps to get approved as a seller. These may include uploading a profile photo, connecting your payment method, setting up your services, verifying your identity. Follow the instructions for each step and complete them one by one. Once all steps are finished, your Fanbasis account will be ready and you'll be set up as a seller. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, you'll be ready to start using Fanbasis anytime.